Akiaria na andiki a mohoro guku Nairobi, munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee Fred Matiang'I augite afitha nene ya thirikari ni hamwe na aria ugiteri na maititie ni kwaga kuhotomia ciiko cia thogi wa thayo bururi-ini.
We have spoken about these things for a while, but it's now abundantly clear that the president and his government have chosen violence as a weapon for political survival and as a weapon for political engagement. Where was the county security team led by the county commissioner in Homa Bay? Where was the regional security team led by the regional commissioner in Kisumu? In most cases, unless the operations of government have changed in a very significant manner, and my dear Kenyans, listen to me, this is something I know like the back of my hand.
Matiang'I augite bururi Tuoete Mwerekera wa thogi wa thayo mieri 12 mbere ya githurano mwaka ukite.
It's so clear to everyone that one, there's a pattern to this. Second, there's very clear acquiescence of government in this because you look at the behavior of the security forces on this matter. And three, you can see, blatantly, a case of, determination on the part of government to engage in this level of violence.
Ohono ugete atongoria mung'ethaniro ni magakorwo na mucemanio mwambiririo wa kiumia giukite niguo kumenya mwerekera wa bururi.
Beginning now, and I will consult with my colleagues in the opposition, we are going to have a retreat next week. And all Kenyans of goodwill, let us now engage our thoughts and minds on how are we going to deal with this government. Because this is not ordinary business. What you are seeing here is not ordinary business. There are no arrests. The political difference is not a good enough excuse to inflict the kind of loss and pain that we have seen this weekend.
Miario ya Matiang'I ne nyititwo baru na murugamiriri munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Dan Mwaka.
Ile turoni Homa Bay kurari na undu muritu muno nginya ukahanaga ta maundu maria wonaga mabũrũri ta ma Afghanistan mana kunaku kiha muno uri andu a opposition matietekirio kwaria na andu na ni tuga ati maundu mani twaritie for a very long time na ni wega mwana inchi amenye haria riu Kenya ikinyite ri ni nuguthiru ni kugweragwa tondu as long as thirikari ni retikiria anake mara support uri andu aria methirikari mathima huri andu ri rugo mateke meshamani ule undu ndrakino na hanini.
Ngerifuatera Inoro TV kuma county ya Nairobi, Jitakaraithi Wajega.